was joking.
Vitamins, minerals, sugars,
Okay, Google.
fibers.
Shut up. Okay, Google. Can I date Donald Trump?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Okay, Google. Your mom.
Yo mama's such a star. Jupiter is considering orbiting her.
That was actually good, not gonna lie.
No. Okay, Google. Say a mean joke.
What kind of music do bunnies like best? Hip hop.
That wasn't a mean joke.
Okay, Google. Roast me.
Okay, I like your hair so much. It's embarrassing.
Okay, Google. Roast me.
You're so busy. You need an assistant, and that's why I'm here.
For you, isn't it? Yeah, you are. Straight? Okay.
Okay.
Woo! Woo! Yeah, I know.
Good job.
You're not gonna like this.
Good job. You're doing so
Dang.
good.
You just bumped me right in my face.
Good.
It's cute.
What is it? Huh?
What is
It's a bucket?
She's just like, I want to get out of here. Oh, look at that.
Of course, we got a wild kitty.
I think he wants to get inside there.
You don't use soap on them when you do it?
You do. You need to, just like with people, you jump in the shower
Rinse them
Cole.
off first.
and you get wet. How many times do you just stand out here and douse yourself with shower gel?
I'm joking. What is shower gel?
It's, soap. Shower.
I don't use shower gel. I use soap.
I understand. I'm saying, just like with people, you get yourself wet first.
And then you put the soap on. I don't do that when I wash my hands though. I just put soap on the ground like this. But my friend said that you should. Ooh, hi, buddy. I'm sorry, Cole. Come back.
That was all you, by
You
the
want to
way.
grab the baby shampoo on the counter?
Got it.
Oh, you got it.
Here.
Are you gonna help? Yeah.
Yeah, just play cool.
Bro, why you going?
She a happy dogs. Okay, what do we gotta do?
Just rub it all over her hair. You know?
This is cute. Oh, it smells like wet dog stuff here.
No, that's because I farted.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
It's not my fault. I don't know what happened to my belly button.
It's from when you eat that black people food.
No, it wasn't from that. Yeah.
You're doing so good. You're doing so good.
It's gonna smell like wet dog now.
Yep.
Bro. Wet dog. Yeah, I know, Cole. You want to get inside there, but you don't like water. Bro. What are you doing, Cole?
You're doing good. You're doing really good.
Hi.
So we get a little on your hands, and then get her undercarriage.
Oh, I know what that is.
Oh, there's a lot of dirt coming off here.
The water has changed color now. Whoa. Dang, Cole!
What do you
Ah, Cole just headbutted his face right into the thing because he was trying to get off of it. Cute. Greg would say. Cute, Greg would say. Cold water bucket.
Soap. Yep, we just gotta get the soap out.
My bad, I just bumped you with the phone.
You happy?
And then if you want to make sure you get the soap splashed off from
You look
underneath.
happy. Oh, I don't think she liked that. Oh my god. Look at all the dried hair. And dirt. And vomit. Woo! Oh, dang.
Good job.